So today we're going to be looking at this article, story. Article? It's an article. An article means that it's what? True or false? If it's an article.
I reckon it's true.
True. Okay, so articles are non-fiction. That means that they are
True.
And it's called Journey to the Skeleton Coast. So what do you think that could be about from looking at it and thinking about the title? What do you reckon, Casey?
It's a coast with lots of skeletons around.
What's a skeleton?
It's like the inside of your body,
Okay.
and what keeps the whole skin together, and it separates the skin.
Keeps your body... Yeah. Why might there be lots of skeletons around the coast? What do you reckon, Bree?
Because heaps of people have died there.
Oh, no. Heaps of people might have died there. What do you think the word coast means, Kiana?
Beach.
What might the coast be? Can you see what part of that picture would the coast be? Draw a
It might be
line. Draw a line around the coast.
Might be the island or the sea.
Do you agree with that?
I think. Or both.
We draw a picture where you think a line where you think the coast is. Just there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's got.
Where do you think the coast is, Casey? You can be blue. Is that blue? Where's the coast?
All across there.
All across there? Okay, well, you're kind of all sort of... Well, Kiana's is a big circle. Casey's probably the closest. But if you're thinking about the coast, have you heard the word the coastline?
Oh yeah, that's
Okay,
a long.
so that's right. So the coastline is all around where the beach would be. So where the land meets the sea, that would be your coastline. Okay, so when it says the skeleton coast, I wonder what it means.
Oh,
Yeah?
or there might be skeletons there because they've been swimming and
Oh, you think maybe people have drowned?
no, the fishes ate it.
Oh, okay. What do you think? So this man over here, so who do you think, does this man give you any clues to anything? What do you think, Kiana? I'm just going to pause this. What kind of clues does that guy give you? What do you think, Casey?
Oh
Can you see what he's wearing?
yeah, it's like he's a detective and he's trying to figure out how the skeletons got there.
Oh, okay. Yep. What do you think, Kiana?
He looked like a soldier.
Oh, he does. What gives you that clue?
Because the hat and the clothes. Because they have navy colours on it. The green navy colour.
Okay, so he looks like a soldier and it's called the Skeleton Coast. So what kind of prediction can we make about this article? What do you reckon, Bree?
The people or the skeletons may have got there from people shooting them.
Okay. Yep.
Maybe something looks like a skeleton there.
Okay. Yep.
Maybe he's trying to find out how they got there and if they just got like drowned in something they washed up on.
Okay, so let's read the first page and then we'll think about whether our predictions about what we're thinking it could be about are accurate or whether we need to change our prediction and think about something else. Okay? Cool. That, guys, it says Journey to the Skeleton Coast. The first blue box on that page says Andrew Blake tells of a trip he made with his family 4,000 kilometres across Africa from Zimbabwe to Namibia. Has your prediction changed at all from just reading that bit? Do you think it might be about something different now?
Yes.
Yeah, what do you think it might be about now?
So
Maybe they might go
Okay, their journey. Okay. So it's something to do with the journey. Yeah?
they might have been driving and they fell out.
Okay, well let's read the first page and see what happens to our prediction. Okay? Thinking about that first page that we just read, I came across a few words and I was a bit curious about whether you guys would know what they meant. The first one's that word aghast.
That one's a weird
Aghast. Can you see that word aghast? I've put it up here.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, so it says, where has it gone? We told our friends we were going to the Skeleton Coast. They were aghast. So what do you think that means?
They were shocked.
Shocked. Okay, oh, that's a cool word, isn't it? Aghast.
They were shocked that they were going there when there was a war on.
Yeah, they were very... I mean, I wouldn't want to go to a country if there was a war going on, would you?
Yeah, because I remember last time there was a plane and they flew over them and then they started shooting the plane.
Oh, well, that's not very good, is it? But I think that why did they decide it would be okay to go?
Because there's soldiers there and they thought they were them.
And further down it says a peace accord had been signed. What do you think? What's peace?
It means like if you were angry at someone, it means that.
As far as war goes, what would peace mean if something
It
to do with
means that
peace
they
had been
come-
signed?
Want to have their own land.
That they come back together and become friends.
They want to have no fighting.
No fighting, that's right, Brie. Okay, so the thing had been signed, so they decided to go. What do you think the word fascinated means? Because it says they were.
Surprised.
Where does it say in the book? I wrote it down.
Impressed.
Fascinated. I was fascinated. The story of the strand lopers that fascinated us the most.
I surprised you.
Fascinated. It's like you're really fascinated yesterday by Zimbabwe. So
Zimbabwe.
that's where Rajiv was from.
Yeah.
So if you're really fascinated in something,
Surprised.
not surprised. So you're surprised by Rajiv? Well, there's another word I'm thinking that starts with
Interested.
interested. So fascinated is really, really interested. Do any of you guys know what a strand loper is?
Nope.
No?
Yes, it might mean it strains you up.
No, it says, ever since we'd heard about the skeleton coast, about the bones piled up on the desert shore, and about the strand lopers, we'd known we had to go there and see for ourselves. I've never heard of the word strand loper before. Guess what you're going to do before we carry on reading?
We have to go.
You're going to go and find out and make a pic collage about, so you have to Google what is a strand loper, find out what they are. Okay?
Miss B,
But
and
don't-
it was weird when it says human or beast.
Yeah, well, we're going to find out what a strand loper is. Okay?
I want to find out what it means.
If you want to know how to spell it, yeah, but I've got the book and I don't want to give you the book because then you'll find out. So come back here if you're not sure how to spell it and I'll show you.
Yeah, Miss